trample all over him. Right, the tram you're on is a Glasgow tram, Glasgow 812, built in 1900, originally completely open topped, like 1068 in the depot. But then over the years, in the 20s, they put a roof on. In the late 20s, they put glass in the vestibules. And last but not least, they put glass around the windscreens at the bottom. And then they fitted air brakes, retrofitted air brakes, in addition to the handbrakes in the early 30s. That's because the Glasgow drivers were not known for being slow, shall we say. And they needed the extra braking capacity because of the hills. Remaining service until 1962 when the tramway closed in Glasgow and came here. And it went straight into service. But by the late 70s it needed a bit of money spending on it, so in 1980 we refurbished it. We spent £41,000 on it, bringing it back to a reasonable standard. And it's been here ever since. It celebrated its 100-year birthday with us in the year 2000, and it celebrated the 60th year since Glasgow Tramway closed September last year, when we had a Glasgow Day, and then all the Glasgow trams on the depot fan, all 6 of them. So that's a very brief history of the tram. 2 stops before we get back to the terminus. The first is Weightbridge. There's a lead mine exhibition. It's the start of the Woodland Walk. The Woodland Walk, you might get a scenic view of the Dirt Valley in between the mists, but it's a 15 to 20 minute stroll, takes you back down towards the car park, and there's wooden sculptures to find in there. The second stop is Victoria Park car park, where you came in through admin, and if you stay to the bitter end, that's back down at Town End Terminus. I'll ask you all to get off, and the driver and I and the tram will do it all over again. If you've got any questions, please ask any member of the uniformed staff. We're here to help you enjoy your day, because if you enjoy your day, you'll tell your friends, and they'll come spend some money with us, because 95% of the income through the gate goes on restoration of the trams, which is quite expensive. Has anybody got any questions? Good. Okay, well we'll take you back down to Dublin. Thank you.